Hi guys again, video part 2. This is the one that I just hardly take it out the part, screws and pins. Let's see the inside. Right there, this is the inside. Oh, there's another screws here. This is the that we just holding power. This is the switch. This, this is the switch. Let's take it out. This 2 screws too. Let's see what's gonna come up. Alright, one screw is gone. The other screw will go on. Here you are. This is gone. Let's go. Oh, doesn't come out. What we can do? This is the one. Hammer. It always works, right? Okay, see, it works. Alright, this is the one. Okay, this is the part. Yeah, this is the one. Then inside, oh, here the motor. This is the motor. Here we are. Look at this. Oh, so dark. I mean, maybe it's while I was working, it's blur and oh, this is the one. Yeah. Maybe if I clean it and set up back, and it's gonna work, but it's not worth it to my time. Inside this is the inside, so I think it's not worth it for time either. So overall, we know now it's I mean, taking out the screw and other things, it was so hard, but I would like to see inside how they made it, and this is it, all about this. So this is the one, guys, from Sears, Craftsman. So yeah, hopefully you liked this video, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, bye.